Fatima was a 10-year-old Pakistani girl. Fatima Firoro is stated to be the daughter of Nadeem Ali Tharo, resident of village Ali Muhammad Tharo Khanewa, near Meherpur district, Nasher Feroz. The family is thought to be follower of the Peer of Ranipure. Fatima died on August 17 in Asad Shah house in the Ranipure Talga of the Khaipure district. Initially reports claim she was killed and that mark of torture were found on her body. The issue initially came to light when a picture of Fatima's body bearing severe torture marks surfaced online. In the video, the seriously injured girl is seen struggling to sit up on her bed but soon collapses. Fatma's mother Shabana said that Fatma along with her two other daughters were hired by Pir Shah of Ranipure as housemaids. Fatma's mother Shabana Firoro said that her minor daughter was subjected to the rostrum of the torture for many days by the Pir of Ranipure and that she had died due to multiple injuries. Police have arrested men suspect Pir Asad jeelani for illegally torturing the girl at his residence in Ranipure. How brutal, how insane, how disgusting, how heinous. I don't think so. Any person with normal mindset can do that even if he is filled with all the hatred in the world. As we reflect on this heartbreaking trial, we have must try for a society that safeguards its vulnerable members. There, the pursuit of the justice is it not a fleeting promise but an unwavering commitment. The beauty of a nation lies in the ability to protect and uplift the lives of all its citizens regardless of their station in life. Only then can we honor the memory of innocent souls like Fatima and ensure that the shadow of exploitation are banished forever from our land. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel, like, share and comments.